Let's go. Oh my god. So this is first time I'm playing with 3000 rated players. So till yesterday I got a chance to play against the 2550. But today first time I'm playing against the one of the top player, I would say. Maybe here. Hmm, I think what to play here. Got your idea. Oh, you are having so much of time. Oh my god. Side is coming here. Yeah. Uh, Probably here. Oh no. Oh no. I hope you are not spotting. Oh, you spotted it. I was not hoping that you will be spotting it, but anyway. Yeah, now to play. Yeah, too much of pieces, cramps. Yeah, now yeah, it's winning. Check can come. Yeah. Oh, you are having 1 minute. Oh my god. Let me just resign. I was not focusing on unbeatable. Yeah, yeah, he's a king. As I told that I'm playing first time. But yeah, I was having earlier fear with uh, of playing with the top rated players. But since last few days I'm getting little uh, something. Yeah. Thank you so much for playing Weibo. If you want maybe 3+2, if you are okay, one game 3+2, because that will be giving some time. Your rating is very. Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. See, Vaibhav, as I told you, let's go one more. Okay, 3+2 is fine. 3+2. Anya, the commands I think I need to set up more. Maybe I'll take your help for. I already have a Nightbot, but I think not working. Okay. So guys, we are playing with Vaibhav from Nagpur, and he is 28 in Blitz. So I make me mod. Okay, I will make you mod. So the King's Indian attack on the board, guys. Anya is the best mod. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually, I have seen you on Sharaka channel, but I was not sure that symmetrical now. His mod of Sharaka and mine too. Oh, is it? I was not knowing about it. Let me find that. Anya, can you give me the command? Let me. I'll quickly make you mod. I think just one command need to be add over there. If I'm not wrong. So, guys, it's hard waiting for me that I'm playing with Vaibhav, and it's really nice that his sportsmanship that he's playing with me, because sometimes we are underrated, so Uh, they're not used to with it. Take me more than I. Can you just send me the command in Whisper? I will quickly copy it. Just make me more, then I can add commands. No, give me a Whisper. I will check. Let me go here. So the time is okay. Something mod. I think if I remember correctly. Anya, check your Whisper I have sent you. If that is correct. Hmm, okay, let's go night on H5. Yeah, slash mod, right? If I'm not wrong, let me just check. Yeah, Anya, now check if you are able to do it. Yeah, yeah, I have added that. I was just sent her in a chat. Anya, check if you are now. You should be the mod over there now. Yeah, great, great. Uh, okay, let's go. Oops, I didn't spotted it. Now seems to be I need to lose a rook or what? I'm losing rook here. I think so. If I am not wrong. Ooh. Okay, will not help out. All right now. It's a force move now. Why you have not taken it? Okay, you want me to fork again? Very nice idea. Very nice idea, Vaibhav. Uh, okay. Just come here. Maybe go to H6 now. Nes, I'm missing streaming. I can't. Vaibhav, at what time normally you used to stream? Maybe I would like to come over there. I stream like 1 month. Where can I go? I'm not sure now, but let's see. 7 p.m. Okay, do you used to stream and during the weekends? Because I get more time on weekends only, and during the weekdays I used to get the time on this time, like while or something. Oh, oh no, oh no, oh no, that is a check. Oh, you are going for a force mate or what? Where to go? Knight has to sack. You have calculated the force moves. Oh wow. Wow, what a force mate. Okay, I think I blundered it here. I should have gone with the rook or something. You have calculated very well then. Let me just analyze this game. Yeah, I thought that there might be. That's why that is the difference between the normal player and the super players. That okay. Let's see. I'm having 62% accuracy and you're having 87. Let me find out quickly where was the miss. Yeah, yeah, I think you calculated very well. I didn't spotted it. The first time, I found that there is a chance of losing exchange, but I didn't saw that it is a force mate or something. Yeah, this was the blunder. I didn't spotted that you can give me check on b3, and that comes into the uh, things which was not expected. There was a trap. Oh, okay. In in puzzles we see the mate easily, but not in a. Yeah, yeah, you're absolutely right, Anya. I used to solve the puzzles if I play at f7, rook take f7, and then bishop to e6. Okay, can check. Yeah, let's check out. When the pawn pushed, there was a check, and I went on to h8, and as you suggested, knight on f7 was the move, followed by rook takes, queen takes. But no, engine is not liking this actually. Not okay, not capturing the queen. What was the move here, Vaibhav? After capture with the rook, knight to f7, then rook f7, bishop to e6. Okay, you mean to say, okay, okay. After capturing, bishop to e6 will trap your queen. You mean? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got it, got it. So now the queen is getting trapped here. Wow, I didn't even spotted this single line of calculations. Wow, really nice, really nice. I didn't spotted that, and here I thought what to play, and yeah, here is again the same line as you said. Yeah, yeah, correct, correct. So here is also possibility of capturing with the bishop would have the sacrifice of is not going to work out here, so I didn't spotted it. And later on, let me see what was the blunder or here here the idea of basics, that I wanna give some space to my king, and maybe later on I will play some ideas. Here also I missed one thing, or maybe I could have gone with the bishop, but I'm not sure if that is a correct move or not. You can see all the tactics since correct, correct, capture. Maybe, but this fork is coming, and again, oh, what doesn't I mean? Okay, let's go back and see now where we were. And here, yeah, actually, it was a still equal game. If you see here at this time, I didn't thought of this. This if the check is coming, uh, and now if you giving check, I will come like this. And there was nothing left then. Actually, I should have not gone with the queen. Manage me. Thank you so much for following. Really appreciate. But I didn't spot this actually. I should have gone with the rook, but I was not having in mind that this check can come. Maybe with the time pressure, I'm getting so much of things in the mind. And here also, I should have not gone here. That is a force mate. Here maybe probably you would have win my queen, and later on another pawn, and you will be like easily. Not wrong actually. You are playing correct, but I played wrong most many times, and this happens here. But just to tell you, Vaibhav, I'm not a professional player, and last year only I started playing the chess. And when I started the YouTube channel, that time I was having a rating 1300 something. But during this 1 or 2 months, I have improved some little more ratings, and I've crossed the 1500. So that is something now I need more and more to learn and explore. So yeah, thank you, Vaibhav, but really appreciate you have played with me and given your time for playing with me. And maybe if you are streaming tomorrow at what time, let me know. I'll be joining your stream then. I don't have any knowledge in chess, that's why I play chess. Haha, Anya is full on fire. Yeah, bullet yeah, actually, Anya, but honestly, Vaibhav, what is your opinion about bullet? Actually, bullet I don't like much because bullet is not giving that much of learning. So maybe things. Oh, okay. So then later on, it was nothing. It was a mate, and yeah, nice. So guys, we got a chance to play with Voivo, and it's really a good learning from a game perspective. At one time, maybe we tried to equalize the game, but still, it's more to learn from the games and these top players. And Voivo, just to tell you guys, Voivo is going for I am now. So all the best, Voivo, for your I am now. Isn't a good purchase, but yeah, it's fun, right? Maybe I used to watch the games of Nihal. Nihal is like what a way of his playing. I have seen such a great game of his. Even some of the games I tried to upload on YouTube also of him from Leeches. So he's playing 15-second game. Man, come on. We are. I mean, I am taking so much of time to just think out whether what which move to play, and he is like playing in a instant seconds. Wow, not instant milliseconds, I would say. So it's nice that see, and Pragnananda, if you've seen, I was streaming Title Tuesday, and Pragnananda won. What a way he played. Maybe the last game he was queen up, but he agreed for a draw in the end. But really nice, really appreciate that means the way you all are playing, and that's the reason I fell in love with chess and started spreading the chess. There is nothing in my mind, I because it's like it's difficult for me to go over there and reach for some GM title. Also, it will be difficult because of every responsibility you have once you are having more age over there. So yeah, I did, but beating Nihal is yeah, right. You're absolutely right. But Prague, if you have seen Champion, Challenger, and everywhere, Prague has played really nice. Yeah, yeah, correct. So, yeah, maybe so. Uh, I think Weibo is going to for a sleep here, but I asked him for a play one more game. Weibo, thank you so much for coming on stream and uh, giving us your valuable feedbacks and your knowledge over here. Really appreciate it. Okay, that's the reason I'm trying to achieve something soon. Yeah, I means I'm not sure what is it exactly means. If you wanna tell us what is your age, if you are okay, because I think Prag and Nihals are like below. I think they're 15 or 16, right? If I'm not wrong. 19. Yeah, means yeah. 19 means you're still having so much of possibilities. I'm like 8 9 years younger than you, but still, it's like you're having a lot of possibilities. So Yeah, I really appreciate, and I would like to help you also if you want anything, from my end also, what is possible. I will definitely love to do that as well. Spotify is giving. All right. Oh, it's looks like 1 a.m. Right. So yeah, Vaibhav, maybe you can go and sleep. You should not, change your sleeping habits. We are not, means I'm not used to with the timings nowadays, but you should have not gone this much of length because it will hamper on your performance. I have seen if you are not having a sleep well, we are playing very bad chess, very very bad chess. So thank you so much for joining. Just go and sleep. Yeah, we'll see you soon, and maybe I would like to join your stream as well. So yeah, good night.